Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and removing storage pressure. First, backup photos, messages, and any authentication apps. Once done, free at least 20% of internal storage by uninstalling large unused apps and deleting videos. Make sure the Redmi 13C 5G is on the latest MIUI build. Go to Settings, right arrow System Update, Install, and then reboot twice to let background tasks settle. This initial cleanup immediately reduces I/O stalls that cause most lag. Next, you dig into app and system settings to cut CPU and RAM waste. Clear cache for top memory apps and disable auto start for social and streaming apps. This prevents them from reloading constantly. Open developer options and set Window/transition/animator scale to 0, 5 or off to make UI feel snappier. Then set background process limit to 1 or 2. Uninstall or disable manufacturer bloatware you never use. These steps free RAM and reduce CPU scheduling conflicts that produce stutter. Finish by restoring a clean baseline. Back up again and perform a factory reset, which removes lingering system corruption and misbehaving profiles. Once the phone restarts, reinstall only essential apps and monitor performance for 48 to 72 hours, making sure to keep storage above 20%. If lag remains after this, consider reflashing official stock firmware or visiting a service center. If you attempt a flash, follow vendor instructions precisely. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.